All right, it is Friday, October 3rd. It is 3:30. I got up here about 1:30. We had a meeting at the club with the HPA attorney to go over contract. That was okay. That was worked out pretty well, I guess. So that's good. Working on a contract for the next 2 years for the club. And now it's 3:30 and I'm making my way out to the boat. So Jen is not coming tonight. She'll be out tomorrow morning. Just because the sun's setting so quick, and really we should be like pulling out this weekend, but right now it's 90 degrees. So we're gonna get one more beach day tomorrow. Next weekend we got Singo at the club, and then that's it. We're wrapping the boat up next weekend and find a good weather day. We can get it down to Rentner's after that. So, that boat that we looked at, I ended up putting a down payment on it, so I'm probably going to run up there middle of next week, pick it up Tuesday or Wednesday, something like that. Yeah, supposed to be south winds all weekend. We can see people enjoying the beach. And why not? You get one last chance, might as well do it. Yeah. Looks nice.
Smile that can light the world. When she likes a song, she gonna dance and sing along. She'll paint you a rock. A foot in prison is a word for sock. Oh, she cures my blues. She names her shoes, and she says
about 6 o'clock or so. It was hot when I got here. So I opened everything up, I went down, turned the air on, vacuumed everything. The thing is full of spiders. This boat is so dirty, so full of spiders. Oh my gosh. But like I said, it's Friday, October 3rd. So I just noticed the battery's about dead on this thing. Water temperature 70.97 degrees. 71 degrees in October. This is insane. I talked to the people on the beach when I was walking up. They said the water temperature was 75 over there. So if Jen's paying attention on the camera right now, the water temperature's in the 70s there. So we're heading for the beach tomorrow. Watch it turn to north winds and it'll be shot. So, on that note, I'm going to plug this camera in because the battery's about dead, and I'm going to walk up to the club and get some dinner. If I record anything, it'll be on the phone. So, that is all. Oh, scratch that. I forgot I have the old Osmo too, so I'm taking that with me. Other one's plugged in over there. So, probably would have made it tonight, but that's alright. So, good to have backup cameras. Oh, here's up on the bin wall. What a night. Man, is it awesome. It's still warm here. So check this out. I was looking at Weeby there. Look, just being out of the water, everything's dried up on the sides. Maybe when we drop it in the water tomorrow, now that everything's all dusty, it'll just kind of brush off, right? I doubt that's gonna happen. So, nice sunset tonight. People still hanging out at the beach. Looking forward to tomorrow. All right, it's like 7:45 here at the club. Flip this thing around. Flip it around. This is the old camera, so. What a night, my gosh. So the club is crazy tonight. Friday night, first weekend in October. So when you come in, it's our bulletin board. We're having a chili cook-off October 19th. We're going to Reef Point Marina August 6th to the 9th next year. Sign-up sheet. And look at this. Pretty awesome to see the place this busy. On a Friday night that would normally be really so we've done a lot of work here, and we turned this club around into something really good. Turned into a social club like it's supposed to be. And it's great. It's great to see everyone talking and getting along. And it's such a good thing. So I'm gonna get back to my beer. So it's 10 o'clock. Still at the club. We are bowling now, but nice to see all these people hanging out. Instead of everyone's talking, we got a friendly bowling game going on. Very great evening.
What if we got everything together, and wouldn't it be better then? Get more money, less anxiety, more passion, please. Wanna alter who I am. Get a little lost, can't find my way, but I can't stay here forever. Get a little low to low my pace.
It is 10:52, Saturday, October 4th. I'm in a tank top, sitting out here. Yep. Walked up and got some sandwiches. Jen's on her way here. This is unbelievable. So she's getting here. We're gonna drop Weeby off the stand and head for the beach. There's a lot of people taking their boats out, getting ready for winter. Probably taking advantage of this weekend to get ahead of the game. So we should be doing that, but we're not. She said she'd be here at 11. It's 11:04 and she's walking up.
Happy summer in October.
It's October. Can you believe this?
It's supposed to be 90 today.
I got.
Good timing. Are you waiting long?
No, I was sitting there drinking my coffee. I just got coffee up here. I'm sitting there drinking my coffee, talked to Mary for a couple minutes, and then
Okay.
I'm like, well, it's almost 11. Jen's gonna be pulling up, so.
Here. Got the spot over here. It's all good.
Wait until you see this lake.
Oh, I can't wait.
You're,
Please tell me Merritt and Philip are playing today too.
probably.
Probably.
Yeah.
Or at least Merritt anyways until Dave gets here.
She's cleaning the boat now, emptying stuff. She's making all the runs
Okay.
while it's cooler.
Gotcha.
She said if we go over, she's probably going to walk over and hang out with us.
That works. We can take a cooler for her.
But I don't know if this is going to work for you.
Oh, this is atrocious. How are we going to play with this?
I don't know.
Oh, it's disgusting. Oh my god. Epic beach day.
This is probably going on as like the best beach day of the year.
Oh my lord. Oh my god, there's like nothing out there.
Yeah.
Merritt has to come and play. She has to.
So we're going to drop Weeby for the first time. Hey, we can almost start taking the canvas off now. Start snapping it. If you choose. So anyway, there's a red valve there. He said this hose leaks. So he closes that valve because if the air leaks out of that, then this thing will drop.
Okay.
Okay, valve is open. I wonder how many spiders are going to be on this thing. Okay, I'm going to hit start. Oh. Alright, underway in Weeby. We've already got people on our dock that have pulled out.
Oh my god, I just realized Jimmy and Billy and Brandon are gone. Oh no.
What do
Never
you mean
mind.
gone? They're right there.
I was looking down too far. I didn't realize we were next to them.
John and Mo are gone. That's it. Well, that's not it. Tony's gone, our neighbor.
I feel like there's a big gaping hole right here.
What are you looking for?
I feel like there's a big gaping hole of boats right here.
There is. Are you gonna sit or?
Oh. Well, I know we have to stop at the gas station. We are out in Weeby. It could be her very last trip on Lake Michigan for the season. It is absolutely freaking gorgeous out here. I'm still fighting with the toggle switch. Sailboat USA coming up alongside us. He's got his lights flashing. I don't know where he's going.
Going to tell someone.
I guess I was thinking don't cut him off. Any words?
I don't think so. Man, is it nice out here. Should send a text to Dave and ask him how his cold is doing. If he's feeling any better or... Might encourage him to leave work sooner. Today is October 4th. It's Saturday. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We are hanging at the beach. It's a late fall beach day. The water is amazing. It's about 90 degrees out here. It's a very rare day. Trying to soak up the last days of summer, and we got lucky with this one. Hope you're doing well.
I can face it better. White knuckles on the way down, but my friends are all around. White knuckles, letting go now. All my friends.
So, saving the best for last. This is our best beach day of the year. Probably said it a whole bunch of times, but it is October 4th. This water temperature is amazing. It's I don't know what it is here, but it was 71 in the harbor, and it's easily 71 here. It's south winds today. This is awesome. Waiting for our buddy Dave to show up. A whole bunch of people hanging out. So I'm surprised. I thought there would be a lot more here, but what a day. There comes the sunshine.
Help me out, everything is better now. I'm finding my way back somehow. What if we got in a van, left for the coast? Wouldn't
Well, it's 5 o'clock. Winding down the day. Zip.
Sunshine. It's almost gone.
Getting close. We were sitting there. The sun's gone.
Had
So
to back up 20 feet.
Dave and Merritt are leaving. They're gonna go get Philip, go for a boat ride. And yeah. The last hoorah. We're gonna go get cleaned up, grab something to eat,
One more beverage. We're out.
and then
Food, ice, docktails.
Docktails, pina coladas tonight on the dock. But gotta get some food in my belly first. What a great afternoon. Hanging out with friends, talking, and
Beautiful weather.
enjoying the weather. And I'm seriously, I cannot believe we're sitting here in this water,
It's October 4th.
and it has not been cold. It's been awesome. And now this guy just shows up with his big cruisers over here. Got to show us how good his stereo is. To each their own. 5:30. We're getting ready to pull out of here. We ended up talking with the couple over here, Carl and Peggy. They came over. That's a 330 SS Formula, 1996. And the covers match our boat, so that was our conversation. But yeah, so hung out a little longer, and we're gonna get out of here, get cleaned up, go get some food, and come back for DuckTales. Oh,
Where's my other
boat's running good, fired right up. What are you looking for?
my other shoe?
I don't know.
give up everything? Are we in harmony? Looking for a better plan. Get a little lost along the way, but we can't stay here forever.
8:30. We are back at the boat. We got showered, went to the club, had a couple burgers. Well, we didn't each have a couple. We each had one. And yeah, I had 2 beers and out of there, and Jen just drank water. But now,
What are you drinking?
what are we drinking tonight? We are making pina coladas tonight with bamboo rum. A bamboo rum pina colada. We practiced this at home, and it's been really good. What do you got? That's a
This is a Ninja blender.
Ninja blender. That's it. The big Ninja
So
thing.
the sits in a base, turns into a pitcher. The top is the boom 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 part.
Fantastic. Step 1. Fill the pitcher with ice. Oh, you got this down pat from Poker Run, right?
Yes, sir.
How many of those you put in?
I think 3.
I think 3. How many of those?
1.5.
That version of Son of a Sailor from a stop in Key West in 2015.
That's a lot in there.
I'm Sarah
It is.
West, but this is the Saturday Beach Party.
All right,
On
cool.
Radio Margaritaville. To know the Wood Brothers is to love the Wood Brothers.
You might have to come up with
A lot of
something
people
else.
don't know about them, but those who do know their music.
I didn't know
Just
that
wondering if I
Modesty Martin and Wood.
screwed up my measurements.
Oh, so good. And they're very popular here in Colorado where I am because the Wood Brothers. Chris Martin,
Too much or too little?
Denver, Colorado.
I think too much. Maybe it was 1.5 to.
Pretty close.
It's very liquidy.
It's 1:30 on Sunday, October 5th. I'm getting out of here. Jen already left. I had a board meeting in the yacht club at 11, and then we had the membership meeting at noon, so I've been in meetings, and then just hanging out talking. But yeah, we're heading out of here. Next week it'll be our cleanup weekend. Get the boat ready for storage and, you know, unloaded and stuff like that. And we got single next Saturday at the club, and that'll be it for us. So got to find a day to get the boat down to Retner's, but everyone's wrapping up. All kinds of boats are leaving. Not right now, but so that time of year. So I'm getting out of here. You guys have a great week. Hope you're ready for boating season. We will see you next week. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe, you know what to do. Ring that bell. And, have a great week.